This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open the Start menu using the Windows key or by clicking the lower left Start icon. The Start menu gives you quick access to apps, power, and pinned items. Use the Settings app for personalization, system updates, and accounts instead of old control panel pages. Sign in with a Microsoft account to sync desktop themes, passwords, and OneDrive cloud storage across devices. You can also use a local account if you prefer to avoid cloud syncing or Microsoft account requirements. Press Win+D to show the desktop quickly and Win+Tab to open Task View for virtual desktops. Create multiple desktops to separate workspaces and switch between them with Control+Win+Left or Control+Win+Right. Use File Explorer for file management, quick access, and to locate OneDrive synced folders on your PC. Open Action Center on the right side to read notifications and toggle Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Focus Assist for fewer interruptions during focused work. Keep Windows Update enabled so security patches and feature updates install automatically and on schedule. Use Windows Defender for real-time protection and run periodic full scans to catch hidden malware. Enable System Restore and create restore points before major changes to allow rollbacks when needed. Set up file history or another backup solution to save important files and keep backups for at least 30 days. Run Disk Cleanup or Storage Sense to remove temporary files and reclaim space regularly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.